Hello and welcome to my technology presentation. Today I will be discussing a program called Blockster, a 2.0 interactive tool that students and teachers can use to create 3D multimedia blogs. What is a blog? A blog is a 3D digital bulletin board where students can put together multimedia content that utilizes music, audio, sound effects, video, animation, podcast, pictures, drawings, data presentation, writing, and more. With the Blockster program, teachers and students can work individually or collaboratively on the same project. They can also comment, rate, and discuss other students' projects. On Blockster's website, you'll find a library of blogs that you might use for inspiration from classrooms from around the world. I've added one that is a biography of Alexander Graham Bell. This is what a blog would look like, an example of what a blog would look like. I could see how this would work well in a flipped classroom lesson where the teacher would preload a template that she would like the students to use. She's added audio directions. I'll click on that for brief.
Write about it. What would Bell say about today's telephones? Write a diary entry as if you were Alexander Graham Bell today. Click on Write About It to be directed to the site where you will be writing your entry.
So after the student will listen to that, they could click on this link, which will take them to another site where they can do their writing portion of the project. And as you see, there's many other links and interesting information, as well as a YouTube video. As part of the Bethel Mary School District's vision, in this modern age, technology pervades every aspect of our lives. Smartphones, tablets, personal computers, and so on puts technology in the hands of our students on a daily basis. It is part of the mission of our district to prepare our students in the area of technology. Blockster could be another tool in their tool belt by developing interesting and informative presentations, which will be a crucial lifelong skill. Creating interesting presentations with Blockster can help students to gain confidence, develop higher order thinking skills, while building digital literacy. As they learn to work creatively and cooperatively on presentations similar to what they would be producing as future employees. Blockster can be utilized by all students in grades K through 12, but the younger students and students with emerging technological skills would need more support. With the support, most students would find Blockster to be user-friendly and fairly simple. The equipment and/or software required to implement Blockster meets the ISTE standards for teachers and students, promoting a student-driven process of learning. The BASD uses Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, so Blockster would be compatible with the web browsers that are currently in place. The Blockster website offers much technical support for administrators, teachers, students. It has a free online Blockster school. I've added a couple of links to what they have on their site. You can watch tutorial videos for admins and teachers on how to start up an account with students. And they also offer PDF versions of how to do things, if that is your preferred style of learning. You also have a online support for questions that you might have. You can email them and they will answer questions. The cost for Blockster is free for individuals and single educator accounts with up to 10 student sub-accounts. But the use of some of the tools are limited. For school districts, they break down the cost to be about $1.85 per user for larger school districts of 1,000 or more. In my classroom, I could see using Blockster in my curriculum. For instance, one assignment that I give at the beginning of the year is a presentation on someone I admire. Currently, students can complete the presentation assignment by doing a traditional poster board, where they may do a slide presentation using single Google Slides. Using Blockster would add another choice for completion of the assignment for any student. Some of my students would require support, while others would be able to utilize the program to advance the creativity of their project to a different level. Blockster allows for differentiation of instruction, as students can work at their own pace, and it can be tiered to fit the individual needs of the students by giving as much support as needed. That's the end of my presentation. I hope you learned a little bit about Blockster and how it can relate to what you're using in your classroom, and I hope you found it informative. Thank you.